Okay. Is it working? Hello, hello. Okay, we are back. I hope you're still awake after the lunch. Okay, so now we are going to the third block of this symposium. For this part, we're going to be talking about canine welfare and the human-pet bond. And for this occasion, we have our speaker, that's Jean-François Savard. Let me briefly introduce you to him. Jean-François Savard is the principal animal behavior scientist at Purina Pet Care Center, where he has worked since 2011. He holds a PhD in behavioral ecology from the University of Maryland in the United States. And his work focuses on applied pet behavior, behavioral research, and scientific communication. He also serves on a university animal ethics committee and recently led the clinical trial supporting the EFSA dossier of the European launch of Calming Care. So, without further ado, please welcome to stage Jean-François.
Thank you. Oh, there it goes. It's going too fast. Can I come back one? Yes, perfect. So thank you for being here today and inviting me. I must admit today at lunch I tried brushing my teeth with my left hand. It's a bit different and I recommend you try it tonight. And so as we said this afternoon, we're sort of shifting gears. This morning was the science of the gut-brain axis and then some examples for calming care. And now I want to talk to you about our responsibility in the welfare of animals and then an example of a study we did in our second talk. And so as you know, nutrition is at the heart of what we do at Purina, but it's not all that we do.
Our pets, they just know when to push us, when to comfort us. They make the golden years even more golden, routines more exciting. They make the world more beautiful. So when it comes to taking care of them, you care about every detail, and so do we. Nutrition is at the heart of what we do, but it's not all we do. We are committed to doing more of what matters for pets, for the people who love them, and for the planet we share. Find out what we're doing beyond the bowl through our Purina commitments.
And so we believe that when pets and people bond, life becomes richer and that we are better with pets. And to talk about these commitments beyond the bowl, today I want to talk about our Purina commitments, our Pets at Work initiative, and also the Better with Pets prize. So the Purina commitments, we are committed to doing more of what matters for pets, communities, and the environment. Pets at Work is a program that allows pets in the workplace and that brings many business and health benefits. And the Better with Pets prize recognizes the work of organizations and social entrepreneurs who help improve the health and well-being of people in vulnerable situations through leveraging the pet-human bond. So let's start with the Purina commitments. Purina is committed to doing more of what matters for pets, the people who love them, and the planet we share. There are a set of 6 Purina commitments. The first is we are committed to innovate pet nutrition and source ingredients through regenerative practices. We are committed to promote pet adoption and leverage partnerships. We are committed to promoting responsible pet ownership programs. We are committed to foster people's health through the power of the pet-human bond. We are committed to work towards a waste-free future. And we are committed to advance regeneration of soil and ocean ecosystems. Today I'll talk a bit more about our commitment to foster people's health through the power of the pet-human bond, but you can find more information on the 6 commitments at the purina.eu website. So to foster people's health through the power of pet-human bond, we're committed by 2030 to help 1 million people in vulnerable situations improve their health and well-being. Two examples of this commitment to health through the pet-human bond are the Pets in Hospital initiative in Spain, where we are supporting therapy dogs to gain access to hospitals, and this is to help facilitate professionals working with people in recovery. And in the Netherlands, there's Villa Samson, where pets can visit their patients at hospital, and in 2025, there was even Samson on Wheels that launched for mobile interventions. So for pets at hospitals, we are working with many clinics to allow animal-assisted therapy for pets to go see patients with neurodevelopmental disorders and mental health, teenagers with eating disorders, or hospitalized pediatric patients. For Villa Samson, since their opening in 2017, over 10,000 patients have been able to be visited by their pets while they are staying at the hospital. And along with the work that we did with the St. Louis Children's Hospital in the US, we authored a scientific publication on the design of visitation facilities to help these facilities engage patients with their own cats and dogs. So second, the pets at work. So Purina's Pets at Work program encourages a pet-friendly workplace culture. By fostering a pet-friendly culture, we want to promote a work environment that balances comfort and productivity for both pets and employees. Membership and resources. Companies can join the Pets at Work Alliance for free and receive a toolkit to help them implement pet-friendly policies. And for implementation steps, we provide guidance on how to set up a Pets at Work project, highlighting the benefits for employees and the business. So some benefits for the employees include that dogs help to reduce workplace stress. Pets at Work creates a more relaxed environment. It improves collaboration, facilitates connection and motivation, encourages productivity and socialization, promotes work-life balance, and can help save money on daily pet care and encourages pet ownership. From the company's perspective, Pets at Work is seen as a privilege and a benefit, and it can increase attraction and retention of talent. Having pets at work is perceived as forward-thinking and people-centered. It creates an inclusive and interactive atmosphere, and there's proof of higher performance, productivity, and inspiration among employees. And so we want more people to experience the amazing benefits that pets bring, from improved health to happier workplaces, and we've already helped more than 200 companies across Europe to become pet-friendly. And research has shown that having pets in the workplace makes people happier, calmer, and more productive. In 2019, we studied some research that showed that employees had 22% higher satisfaction with working conditions when there were pets at work. This included higher overall work quality of life, higher satisfaction with their homework interface, higher job career satisfaction, higher controlled level at work, increased absorption in their work compared to the norm, higher dedication, and an overall increase in work engagement.
Imagine a future where pets and people are even better together. A future where taking a dog to work is the norm for most people, not just a lucky few. At Purina, we live and breathe pets at work, and we experience the benefits every day. They help us relax and reduce stress in the workplace. They help everyone feel happy and motivated. They make us all more sociable and collaborative. And of course, our dogs love spending more time with us. At Purina, we believe more employees and dogs should enjoy those benefits too. Join the Pets at Work Alliance. and we will help you make your office dog-friendly.
Okay. So in addition to pets at work, we want to promote life with pets by allowing people to travel with their large dog breeds in high-speed trains. And so that's why Purina partnered with Renfe to develop a partnership. And so to enable this project, we provided Renfe with an importance assessments for passengers to be able to travel with their pets. We also provided best practices to travel on board safely and comfortably together, a travel guide for both pets and owners, and guidance and training for the Renfe staff. And over 13,000 large dogs have been able to travel on high-speed trains since this partnership began. And so finally, the Purina Better with Pets Prize recognizes the work of organizations and social entrepreneurs who help improve the health and well-being of people in vulnerable situations through leveraging the pet-human bond. And so this prize began in 2018, and the most recent iteration was in 2025. So in 2025, the Better with Pets Prize winners were 100% Life Dniprov in Ukraine, Wagon Company from the UK, and Acadia in France. And so 100% Life helps pet therapy to support mental health for people impacted by the war by helping train and finding animal-assisted therapy. WAG in the UK visits elderly people with dogs to help promote or to reduce loneliness. And Acadia helps train assistant dogs for insulin-dependent children with type 1 diabetes in France. Earlier Better with Pets Prize winners, in 2023 there was CTAC, who implements animal-assisted therapy in hospitals in Spain. In 2020 there was Street Vet and Gamelle Plaine. So Street Vet in the UK helps people experiencing homelessness get veterinary care for their animals. And in France, Gamelle Plaine helps people get food, provide care, and keep their pets while experiencing homelessness. And in 2018, during the first iteration of the Better with Pets Prize, there was Upue in the Netherlands that helped reduce loneliness and increase activity among elderly people by matching elderly people with dogs to take care of them in their neighborhoods. So thank you. And so now I think we can go on to the second talk. And so the second talk will be an example of some research that we did at Purina to better understand animal-assisted therapy and demonstrate the positive effect of it, but not only for people, but also from the pets. So we're looking at it from both perspectives. So will it go? That's me.